Alrighty, y'all. So we are here with my Savage Axis 30-06. As you can see, this thing is pretty. And I got Bushnell scope actually came with the gun, and got this Black Hawk bipod that's really nice. I'll show that off in a different video probably, but then I also got this little cartridge holder thing on this stock. But the main question of this video is going to be this, the Mcarbo Savage Axis Pro Trigger Kit. So, I'm going to shine this in the light. Those two little rings in there are to prevent the trigger sway, because it does have a fair bit of trigger sway, the Savage Axis, and then that middle like rod piece in there is to actually like holds that spring, which that's the new trigger spring, and then you have the lube in there, super lube, giggity. So I'll see you when I have all this installed. So I have the kit in, so I'm gonna go play with this thing and test it out. My overall opinion of the Savage Axis Pro Trigger Kit by Mcarbo, definitely worth the money. It was $27 something by the time I paid shipping and tax and whatnot, but it really improved the gun. The trigger wobble that was there before, and just completely eliminate that. Like, you cannot like move that trigger side to side hardly, which is real nice, and the actual trigger pull is like butter. It's really worth it if you do have a Savage Axis at home. I definitely recommend buying one. They're on Mcarbo's website, so yeah, I'll see y'all next time.